Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon once again. Most of you have joined. There's still some friends who are joining. Okay, today we are going to discuss the problems based on sets, right? So today is sets DSS. I hope all of you have at least gone through the assignment once. ठीक है? किसने किसने देखा एक बार हाथ उठा लो. किसने किसने assignment एक बार देखा हाथ उठा लो. प्रतिज्ञा. Then okay, I guess people have seen, right? हो रहा था. Solve हो रहा तुम लोगों से. Tell me. तुम लोगों से solve हो रहा था. Okay. Let us see. Let us see the assignment. Okay. So these are some basic, very basic assignment. I guess everyone was able to solve at least 50% of these problems. है ना? So we will be discussing this, right? We will be discussing each and every problems of this assignment. ठीक है? समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Yes. So starting problems तो हो गए होंगे. I'll take the 5 set of each, right? हम लोग 5 problems का set लेंगे, and those who have any doubts you can ask. ठीक है? So I guess question number 1 to 5. Everyone, question 1 to 5. Doubt? Any doubt? Question 1 to 5. No, Yashash. This should be in your homework copy. In foundation, make one copy into different parts, right? One part you can have for notes, and the other part you can have for homework, or make one separate for homework and one for foundation, one for notes. Okay, because this will be used in your higher grades also. Please make sure you have a very neat notebook. See, for maths art, you don't have to make a different notebook, right? Make one for notes, one for homework. As simple as that. One for notes, one for foundation notes, one for foundation homework. Okay, right? So question 1 to 5. Question 1 to 5. Any doubt in question 1 to 5? Tell me. I guess 1 to 5 was done, right? 1 to 5, everyone would be able to solve. Anyone have any doubt? Please ask. 1 to 5. Jaldi, jaldi, because we have to discuss so many problems. Tell me. 4, 5. Okay. Question number 4 and question number 5. Let us see. Question number 4 first, right? Question number 4. X is equal to 1, 2, 3 and represents any number of x. Okay. Right? And represents. Wait. Yeah. And represents any number x. Okay. It's a variable. Then number. Which of the following is set up containing all the numbers represented by n plus 6. Now, simple, no? N value 1 here, right? N is the value of x. So, the set containing n plus 6 is what? 1 plus 6, comma, 2 plus 6, comma, 3 plus 6. Right? So, what is this? The answer is 7, 8, 9. Got it? Hi, Anna. Okay? Right? Getting everyone? Easy? Okay? Done? Okay? Chalo. Very good. Now, fifth one, the roster form of this, roster form of x when x square is equal to x. So whose number, right? I can say the square of any number is equal to that number. Tell me, the square of any number is equal to that number. The only two number that obeys this condition is 0 and 1. Yes or no? Right? Very good. 0 and 1. So the answer is what? A. Clear है? Right? Everyone? Yes or no? ठीक है? समझ में आ गया? So 1 to 5, any other doubts? I will give you a surprise also. I'll give you a surprise also after this class. That's why if you have Sinchana, I'm not ma'am Sinchana, I should show you my face.
Sorry.
Right? तुम लोग मुझे मैम बनाने के पीछे क्यों पड़े रहते हो? Okay, ठीक है, चलो 1 to 5 is clear. Yes, Vastav. You are smart one, right, Vastav? Okay. Now 6, 7. Any doubt in 6, 7? Navya, x square by x, right? Okay, it is not x square by x. First of all, right? 0 is equal to 0, and 0 by 0 is equal to 1. Not true. This is correct. This is not correct. समझ में आ रहा है? Common sense, right? This is your indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. And this is not divided by, this is what? X. 4x is equal to, in the case of Coulomb, right? We were using Coulomb now. So here bar is used. That is the same. Got it, Navya? Right? We were using Coulomb, right? They have used a bar. So it is the same meaning. Okay. Seventh one. Okay. So Coulomb and bar are same. Okay. Right? It is x 4, right? Or where x is this? Okay, seventh one. The roster form of A is equal to T, where this is used as Coulomb, right? Where TQ is equal to T. Now, there's only one case or two case or three case in which this is there. So if TQ is equal to T, minus 1 cube is equal to minus 1, 0 cube is equal to 0, and 1 cube is equal to 1. So the answer is easy, same as the, yes, very good, Navya, very good. Pastak, seventh. Clear? Right, everyone? Clear? Hi, Anna. Okay. So till 7, I guess, no doubt. Now, question number 8. Question number 8. Question number 8. So Coulomb, right, is replaced by bar here. Right, it's just a representation. No issues there. Okay. So the roster form of set A is equal to W, where W minus 2 by W plus 3 is equal to 3. Okay. Where again solution set, it is asking the solution set, easy, just solve it. Minus 2 by W plus 3 is equal to 3. Just solve it. What you will get, tell me what you will get. I guess all of you can solve it now. Sir, W minus 2 is equal to 3W plus 9. This will go this side, this will go this side, or opposite, right? So it is 2W is equal to minus 11. W is equal to minus 11 by 2. Yes or no? Correct. Very good. So the answer is A. Okay, done. Easy, because it is what? W belongs to real. If W belongs to Z, तब क्या होता? If the question would have been W belongs to Z, then
So
very good.
answer 5 होता.
Right, then it will be 5, and then it is none of these. Okay, very good. Chalo. So 10 till question number 10. Any doubts? Till question number 10, any doubts? Tell me, everyone. Till question number 10, any doubts? Hi, Anna. 10. Okay. Let us see question number 10. Which of the following statement is false? 35 belongs to, this E belongs, right? 35 belongs to X. For X has exactly 4 positive factors. So let's just see 35 के कितने factors होते हैं? Sir, 1. Then, sir, 5. Then,
7.
7. Then
35.
35. That's true, right? That's true. Hi, Anna. That is true. Okay. B. 128. 4 by where sum of all positive factors of y is 255. Okay. Sum of all positive factors of 255. Okay. Now think about it. We know the factors 255. Write down. First of all, write down. In which form? Write down this in prime factorization form. So I hope all of you remember this. Remember this concept, right? It is a good problem. Remember this concept. How to find the sum of factors or the factors. So first, how many times? 3 times. What is the answer? 8, then 585. Okay. Then 5, yes or no? What is the answer?
71. 17.
Yes or no? Any doubt in this? Tell me, any doubt in this? So can I write it as 3 into 5 into 17? Hi, Anna. Hi, Anna. Anyone have any doubt in this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, when you talk about the sum and number of positive factors, so see, when we talk about 3, so 3 can have 2 factors, yes or no? Tell me. 3 will have two factors, which is 3 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 1. Yes or no? Hi, Anna. Tell me. 3 will have two factors, right? In the same way, when you talk about 5 will also have two factors. 5 will have also two factors. Okay, sorry. I read it wrong, right? Sum of all the positive factors of y is 255. 128 का निकालना है. 128 के factors निकाल. My bad. Right? Sorry. Yeah. 128 के factors निकालना है. Okay, yes. Sum of all the positive factor of y is this. So 128 के factor निकालना है. So 2, 64, 2, 32, 2. Tell me. 16,
16.
16.
8, 2,
4.
2, 2.
2.
Right? So basically, 128 is equal to 2 to the power what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Yes or no? Okay. Now, when you talk about the sum of all the positive factors, so see, this, the total possible factors would be either 2 to the power 0, plus 2 to the power 1, plus 2 to the power 2, plus 2 to the power 3, plus 2 to the power 4, plus 2 to the power 5, plus 2 to the power 6, plus 2 to the power 7. These all are the factors. ठीक है? समझ में आ रहा है? Yes or no? Hi Anna. Everyone, are you getting this? Tell me, 128 के factors कौन-कौन से होंगे? यही होंगे ना? Right? Anyone have any doubt in this? Tell me. Anyone have any doubt in this?
No, sir.
ठीक है? Right? Okay, very good. Now, either you can just add it or there's a method, but again, I'm not talking about method for now because we haven't studied that sequencing series, right? So I can just add it. ठीक है? So it is what? 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 32 plus 64 plus 128. If you add, you will get 155. Yes, very good. This is basically a sequence of GP, geometric progression. Okay, very good, Pratagya, right? So B is also correct. What about C? 3 does not. This does not belongs to X. For X power 4 solution. Up tell me. Put the value. Simple. Don't solve it. Be smart, right? Put the value 3 over here. 3 to the power 4 minus 5 into 3 cube plus 2 into 3 square minus 112 into 3 plus 6. Right? Check if it is 0 or not. Okay? Right? So it is what? 3 to the power 4 is?
81.
Yes. 81 minus, it is 5 into 27. 5 into 27 plus, it is 18. 9 into 18 minus, this is 336 plus 6. Okay, so what is the answer? Tell me. Navya, I'll explain Navya, but ये भी करो. कितना होगा? Sum 0 आ रहा है क्या? I don't think that sum is getting 0. Yes or no? Right? है ना? Sum is not 0. Right? है ना? So the answer is, so this is also true. So A, B, C are true. So D must be false, right? You don't have to calculate. Now think about it. I'll take a small example for this one because this and this are same. Now suppose 8. What are the factors of 8 now? Tell me, what are the factors of 8? Sir, factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. हाँ या ना? समझ में आया? So
Yes,
what's
sir.
8 is what? 2 to the power 3 now. So the factor is 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, and 2 to the power 3. Yes or no? अब समझ में आ रहा है? The sum is what? 1
Yes,
plus
sir.
2 plus 4 plus 8. Got it? Right? Take a small example. Got it?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट. Now again, right, you don't have to think about D now, because obviously if these three are correct, this must be wrong, right? If you want to think, see, y, the sum of all positive numbers of y is 2y. Now y is 496. It is just saying that sum of all the factors of 296 is, tell me, is what? 990. Tell me, 2, as simple as that. Got it? बस यही बोल रहा है. Sum of all the factors is 992, right? Okay. Now 11 to 15. 11 to 15. Tell me, 11 to 15. Any doubts in 11 to 15? Tell me, 11 to 15. Any doubt in 11 to 15? Tell me, everyone. 13. Okay, 13. So see, if B is a set of whole number, B is a set whose number are obtained by adding 1 to each of the even integers. Okay, adding 1 to each of the even integers. Easy है ना? अगर 1 ऐड करो सब इंटीजर में तो क्या बन जाएगा? ऑड बन जाएगा ना वो, हाँ या ना? Simple, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? If you add 1 to each even integers, it will become what? Odd integers. हाँ या ना? So 1 is not, right? 1 is not what? Tell me. ठीक है? So answer is what? Tell me. 13 का आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? Yes, yes, Vikas. ठीक है? Right? Got it? The answer is C. हाँ या ना? If it would have written positive, right? If they would have written positive, the answer would be B. If they would have written positive, the answer would be B. ठीक है? Right? हाँ या ना? Yes or no? अगर आंसर अगर पॉजिटिव होता तो आंसर क्या होता है? If they would have written positive, the answer would have been, right, or non-negative, the answer would be B. ठीक है? D is not an answer. D is not the answer. ठीक है? Now 14th. Okay, 14th, no, 15th. Someone has 15th, right? ठीक है? What's the 15th one? 15th. Someone asked 15th. क्या? Who asked 15th? You just have to say how many of these, how many sets of this, right, will satisfy this condition. So easy, na? Tell me, what is this? Tell me, which value will satisfy this? So z is equal to what? 4, 16 plus 8, 16, 2 into 16, right? Is equal to what? Think about it. It's a hit and trial, by the way. 32 plus b is equal to what? 1. So the answer is 4 comma 1 minus 4 comma minus 1, 4 comma minus 1 minus 4 comma 1, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, you have substitute. You have substitute, not the option. You have substitute the value, because here it is asked as the number of elements. Number of elements. Shirsha. So the question is the set A comma B. So again, this is in bracket, right? This is in bracket. So this, think about it. This A comma B, right, is in small bracket. So it is not the element of set. First of all, this whole is the element of set. समझ में आ रहा है? This whole is your element of set. Clear है? हाँ या ना? Clear here? That's the first thing, right? It means, sir, it is like this. Set of aloo, tomato, comma, bracket, mango, apple, bracket. So this whole is just an element, right? Okay, that is first concept. Now, which numbers will satisfy this? It is what? 35, na 35. It is multiple of 3. So 3 into some multiple x and 2 into some multiple, right? So
So
if you
35 is not a multiple of 3.
divide 35 in two parts, right? So it is 3 and 32 because it's a multiple of 3, right? Either it would be right or it would be 6 plus, tell me, 6 plus 29, but it is not multiple of 2. Simple. You will use common sense, right? 9 plus, if you're using 9 plus, then tell me it will be what? 26. Now this is not this divided by 2, 13. It is not the square of something. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है? So we will figure it out. We will figure it out which number will satisfy these conditions. So I can have 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. Yes or no? हाँ या ना, बस ये चार हो सकता है, right? The value of a and b can be only these 1, 2, 3, 4 because any number bigger than that will make the sum bigger than, tell me, bigger than 35. Yes or no? So think about it, right? है ना? Which will satisfy only 4? You have to check. Yes, obviously -1, -2, -3, -4, obviously, right? Negative, this and this negative, okay? This and this negative, right? So here I have checked 4. So 4, 1, -4, 1, 4, -1, -4, -1, right? Except apart from these, is there any other number which is satisfying this? Tell me. So this is first element, this is second element, this is third element, and this is fourth element. Clear है? समझ में आया? Tell me. समझ में आया? Because if 3 तो नहीं सच जाएगा, if you put 4, 2 into 4 is 8, 8, and here 3 into what? 3 into what will give 35? 3 into
Sir,
3.
7 5 is 35 no, sir.
Right, yes, wait. 3 into, yes. So this is 1, right? 1 set.
3 into 9.
3 into 9, so 27. Yeah, this will also give, right? So same thing for 2 and 3. So 2, 3, -2, -3, -2, comma 3, and 2, comma -3. So again, there's a fourth set of this. So 4 plus 4, 8. No. 4 plus 4, 8. Right? Puneet, you're joining now, Puneet. You're joining now. So the answer is 8. Any other option? No, I guess these two are the only options. Okay. Okay. Now, tell me. 16, 17, any doubt? Tell me. Okay, very good. Chalo, next. I guess till 17 easy. It is easy now. Think, are you guys able to solve this? Tell me. Hi Anna. Are you able to solve this? So leave na 14 if all option is same, leave it, right? It must be some error. ठीक है? चलो, right? Okay. Now 18 to 22, 18 to 20, 18 to 20. Tell me. 18 to 20. Tell me. 20. Chalo. Okay, let's see 20. Which of the following is not true? Which of the following is not true? Tell me. Everyone, think about it. 0 belongs to this, okay? This 0 is subset of this. 0 is subset of this. Okay, Navya, but with a 20 का आंसर क्या है? Tell me. Think about it. This is correct. This is correct. It is just the representation wise, right? It is just a representation wise. ठीक है? समझ में आया? Yes. Answer is what? A or B? Tell me. Answer is A or B? Tell me, guys. Answer is A or B?
Sir, A.
A. Why A? Think about it, guys. Think about it. Sorry, yeah. So I can say this is element belongs to a set. This is also element belongs to a set. This is a set which is subset of this set. This should also be a set which should be, tell me, in this set, but this is not representation of set because this notation is used to compare two sets. ठीक है? Clear हो गया ये? So the answer is D. Anyone have any doubt in this? 19th. Now x, for x is real number, and this again, which of the following is an empty set, right? Okay. 0 is an element, right? 0 is not 5. 0 is just element, right? 0 is an element, not 5. If it would have been 5, they would have written 5. Okay. Now, which of the following is an empty set? Simple. Empty set कौन सा होगा? Simple है ना यार. Empty set is this. हाँ या ना? Yes or no? Empty set is this because sum of two positive numbers cannot be 0. Simple. Yes, agree. Right? Done. A is correct, na? A is correct. Why A is wrong? Okay, which of the following is an empty set? Huh? So A is this, na? A is not an empty set, right? Because x will have two values, plus minus 1, right? It is not an empty set. So B is an empty set. ठीक है? सबको समझ में आ गया? कट गया? समझ में आ गया? Sinchna, because इसका value है ना Sinchna, x square minus 1 is equal to 0, x will be plus minus 1. So x का value क्या है? Minus 1 plus 1. How come it is an empty set? Is it an empty set? Tell me, is it an empty set? No, no, it is having two elements, minus 1 and 1. Right? Okay. ठीक है, next. Next. Yes, Shirsha, empty set and null set are same, right? Okay. अरे x square plus 9, what is the value, what is the solution of x square plus 9? Tell me, इसका value क्या होगा? X square plus 9 is equal to 0. What is the value of, what is the value of x here? Tell me, समझ में आ रहा है? x का कुछ real value होगा? x का कोई real value होगा? Sum of two positive numbers cannot be 0, right? Sum of two positive numbers cannot be 0. X is an imaginary number which we will be studying in next topic, right? Quality के बाद, ठीक है? चलो 26 ना 20 तक done. 21 to 25, 21 to 25. Tell me. (21 to 25). Now, after 25, there are some good problems. 21, okay, 21, 23, 25, 21. Which of the following set is not a null set? Again, same empty set. 2x plus 1 is even. Obviously, think about it. 2x plus 1 is even or odd? Tell me. 2x plus 1 is even or odd? Tell me, guys. Odd, na? Right? That is the answer. Simple. This is sorry, not an empty set. Sorry, not kuch hai na. This is empty set. My bad. This is empty set. Then x, where x belongs to integer, x square is not positive. X square is not positive. Again, this is empty set. Then x, where x.
So for 0, x square will not be positive, no sir.
What?
So for 0, x square will be 0 and it is not a positive number.
Again, 0 is called as non-negative number. Okay? Right?
Sir, x is equal to x belongs to integer दिया है sir. Integer में 0 आएगा ना?
Answer is clearly C. Our answer is clearly C. X square is odd. Right? X is even and x square is odd. Okay? Sorry, this is also empty set. Wait. Because any number square is always even, right? If it is even, the square will also be even. So this is also empty set. For x belongs x, where x belongs to real, x square plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, right. So here, yes. So I can say yes, Yashish, whatever you're saying, right? Here it will be x is equal to 0. Now the thing is, 0 is called as non-negative, right? 0 is called as non-negative. Okay, 0 is called as non-negative. समझ में आ रहा है? Everyone, you're getting? 0 is called as non-negative. Okay. Okay. So the answer would be what? B, because there will be one element. There will be one element, right? 0. So it is not a null set. ठीक है? समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Tell me, समझ में आ सबको? हाँ या ना? Right? Okay, chalo. Next is 23. Next is 23. 23. So we have x is a set of this. Y is a set of this. Then x is subset of y, x is superset of y. Okay. Now अब बताओ, यहाँ पे simple है, simple. तुम n का एक दो वैल्यू रख के देख लो एक बार, नहीं तो ये अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, स्टार मार्क कर लो. 23 स्टार मार्क कर लो. 23 is a good problem. Anyone wants to give it a try? How many of you haven't tried it? Tell me. कितने लोगों ने try ही नहीं किया है? Give it a try. 20. Tell me. 22, 23 is a good problem. Everyone, give it a try. Just put some values. Shortcut. Just put some values. Put some values. Okay, right? I'll give you 2-3 minutes. Solve. N is equal to 0. Put n is equal to 0. What
Sir,
are you
an
getting?
natural number
Sir,
है.
n
Sir,
n
but
is
they've
equal to
given
Sir,
natural.
natural number.
Sir, n is
Okay, sorry. So let's start with n is equal to 1 then. N is equal to 1, right? So n is equal to 1. Then it will be what? 8 minus 7
Zero,
minus
sir.
1. 0. This is 0. And this is what? This is also 0.
Sir,
Yes or no?
zero.
So x,
Zero, sir.
y. Let's start, right? So it is 0, 0. Now put n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2. Put n is equal to 2. See how big this number will become. 2. So it will be what? 64. Minus 2 into 17, 14.
14.
Minus 1. So it will be what? 49. Yes or no?
Yes.
X is 49. What about y? So 49 into 2. कितना हो जाएगा?
90.
Right? 98 minus 49. Again it is 49. Okay, यहाँ तक तो same है. But what about n is equal to 3? Tell me. If you put n is equal to 3, then it will become very big number. Yes or no? Tell me. What n is equal to 3? 8 into 8 into 8. Tell me.
512.
512.
512.
512, no? 512. See. Minus 7 into 3. 21 minus 1. So it will become what? 400. Tell me. So it is what? 22. 490. Yes or no? X become 490. But y? 49 into 3. Tell me. 147 minus 49. Okay, it's basically 98 only. Ayana. Stop. Ab batao. What do you think? What do you think? Which is a subset of which? Tell me, which is the subset of which?
So y is subset of x.
Tell me. I hope all of you are getting this. Ayana. Right? So I can say, sir, y is superset of x, na? Y is superset of x. Y is superset, na? Adi, you forgot Sinchana 098, 049, 98, right? Okay. Which of them will have more elements? Y will have more elements or x will have more elements? Tell me, Y will have more elements or X will have more elements?
Sir, y will have more elements.
Y will have more elements, na? 98. So then it will be what? 49 to 9, 49 to 3, 49 to 4. It is 0, 49 to 1, 49 to 2, 49 to 3. Right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Right? So obviously Y will have more elements. Then Y is a superset. X is a subset. Hi, Anna. Got it? Got it, everyone? Right? Navya, Darshan, Avni. Again, what is the meaning of subset? Tell me, think about it. What is the meaning of subset? Melissa, Jilan, Bhavani, what's the meaning of subset? I'm giving you one problem, 1, 4, 8. And second, I'm giving 1, 2, 6, 4, 8, 10. Which of the two will be subset? Simple. Which of the two will be subset? Tell me, Manisa. Tell me, Melissa. Which of the two will be subset? Subset, Shrusti, subset. Melissa, Avni.
Sir, 1, 4, 8.
1, 4, 8 is a subset. Yes or no? Hi, Anna. Because sir, subset should have, very good, Melissa, very good, Zilan. Subset should have less numbers, right? Hannah, yes or no? Hi, Anna. Now I hope all of you got it. Now you got it because x had number 0, 49, 490 and so on, right? And y will be having number 0, 49, 98, tell me 147 dot 490 dot, right? Okay, so obviously x will have less. All the elements of x will come under element of y, but not all element of y is coming under x. Hi Anna, simple. Okay, see, in x we have 49, 98, 147. Where these number are in X. So X is obviously not a superset. So the answer is A. Okay? Right? Okay, very good, everyone. Now, after 23, 24, 25. Okay. Now see, this is also one element, which is also a set. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है? Right? So which of the following statement is correct? One, the subset. Think about it. This is wrong now. Again, I hope all of you know why A is wrong. I hope all of you know why A is wrong. Right? Right? So tell me which of them is correct. Everyone, this is also a good problem, good conceptual problem. Tell me which of them is correct. This is also a good problem. No, Navya, no, Yashash. See, again, right? This is representation of set. This is a representation of set. But this should be elements. This should be elements. Yes or no? Hayana. Right? Okay. C is also wrong because 1, 2 is correct, but 3 is not element. 3, 4 is an element. Right? So this is also wrong. The answer is D. Answer is D. Right? Answer is D. Hayana. Because 5 empty set is always a subset of any set. Empty set is always a subset of any set. That is a universal statement. Hi Anna, tell me. Hi Anna. Everyone is getting this concept? Universal set. This is a universal statement that empty set is always a subset of something. Yes, very good, Melissa. Very good. Vastav, okay? Okay. So the answer is D. Now 25th. Two finite sets having m and n elements, the total number of subset of the first set. Think about it, everyone, simple. M and n set. So total number of, suppose I'm having two sets, X and Y. So in this total number is M, and in this total number is N. So number of set is 2 to the power M, and here the number of subset is 2 to the power N. Yes or no? Yes or no? Right? Now, according to the problem, the number of sets, subset of first set, which is 2 to the power M, is 56 more than the second set. Hi Anna. Hi Anna. Can you solve the value of M and N now? I hope all of you can. Right? I hope all of you can. Yes or no? Yes, Vastav. Vastav, ulta ho gaya tha sa Vastav. 2 to the power M minus 2 to the power N is equal to 56. Okay? Because the number of subset in first is more. Okay? So 2 to the power M is equal to 2 to the power N plus 56. Can you solve this? Tell me, can you solve this? Can you solve this? I guess it is hit and trial, na? I guess all of you can solve. It is very basic hit and trial. Hi Anna. Hi Anna, tell me, everyone. Right? Start with 2 to the power, start with 2 to the power 7. 2 to the power 7 is equal to what? Tell me, 2 to the power 7, I hope all of you remember, 2 to the power 7 is 128. Right? And tell me, 2 to the power 5 was what?
32.
32. Right? Anna, 2 to the power 8 would be what? 256. Right? Okay. So tell me, 2 to the power 4 is 16.
16.
2 to the power 6 is 64. Now I guess, and 2 to the power 3 is 8. I guess all of you got your answer. Hi Anna, all of you got your answer. Right, 2 to the power 3 is 8 and 2 to the power 6 is 64. Difference between 64 and 8 is 56. Yes or no? Yes or no? Because after this, the difference is increasing, है ना? So it is 2 to the power 6 is equal to 2 to the power 2, sorry, 2 to the power 2 plus 56. 2 to the power 3, sorry, 2 to the power 3 plus 56. So the answer is what? Answer is 3 and 6. ठीक है? Clear है? हाँ या ना? Okay, chalo. So, okay, very good. Now 26 is a very nice question. 26. How many of you can solve 26? Tell me. How many of you can solve 26? 26 is very good problem. Very good problem. 26. Everyone. So what is P? What is P? P is what? Tell me. Think about it. Question 26. सोचो एक बार. Everyone should think about question 26. Tell me, what is the answer, everyone? This is a power set. P represents power set. Now, first, P of A. A have how many elements? A have one element. So power set of A will have how many elements? 2 to the power 1, which is equal to 2. Hayana. Tell me, Hayana. Then power set of A will have how many elements? It is 2 to the power 2, which is 4 elements. Yes or no? Then power set of A will have how many elements? So it is 2 to the power 4, which is equal to how many elements? 16 elements. अब समझ में आया? The answer is 16. Clear? Tell me, clear? हाँ या ना? Anyone have any doubt in this? Anyone have any doubt in this? Very good, Krishna. Very good, very good, Jilan. Jilan, it is not B, Jilan. Jilan, it is C. ठीक है? 2 to the power 4 is 16, not 8. Okay? Chalo. Now, any doubt till question number 30? Any doubt till question number 30? Any doubt till question number 30? Vikas, P to the power A will have what? 2 to the power 2 elements, now which is 4 elements. So power set of this will have how many elements? 2 to the power 4 elements, right? That is how 2 to the power 4 came. ठीक है? (28, 29). Now 28 is also a good problem, but if you remember, now let us see question number 28. Everyone, let us see question number 28. Right? Please focus your attention over here. I will give you 2 minutes. Okay, everyone. Now let us see question number 28. It is a good problem, right? Now, can I say, sir, in question number 28, right? Before doing this, let us have some basic relation. We know that any complement is equal to same number, yes or no? And ulta ka ulta is always seedha. Yes or no? Tell me. Ulta ka ulta is seedha. That is first thing. Yes or no? That I'm writing what we already know. Then we know, sir, A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Yes or no? Sir, we have derived this, sir. Right? We have derived this. Yes or no? A union B complement, right, is equal to, tell me. I hope all of you remember. Yes or no? Right? A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection of B complement. So the vice versa is also true. Yes or no? Ayana. Right? Okay. Chalo. Let us solve this now. Okay. I guess these two things everyone understood. Now, can I say, and one more thing, what is B union B is equal to B only? Hayana. B union B is equal to B only. Anyone have any doubt in this? No? Clear?
Sir, in the second line, ए यूनियन बी का होल कॉम्प्लीमेंट होना चाहिए ना सर, इंटरसेक्शन के बजाय।
ये तो ऑब्वियसली उसका उल्टा भी सेम होगा ना, ए यूनियन बी का कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज इक्वल टू ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट। तो इसका रिवर्स भी तो सही होगा, ए इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ बी का कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज इक्वल टू ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट यूनियन विद बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट। यस और नो? हाँ या ना? राइट, both can be true ना? Okay, right, both
ओके
are
सर।
true. ठीक है, we can derive as we have derived for this, you can derive for this also. It is same, it is true for both the cases, because when you talk about complement, whole complement, this union will convert into intersection. So don't you think the same thing same thing will happen over here? This union will convert into this intersection. Simple. Okay, so let us see this. Let us see this. So can I say, sir, I'll just start solution over here. Everyone think A intersection B whole complement union with B intersection C. It can be written as, tell me, A complement union with B complement is just B. Hayana. Union with B intersection C. Anyone have any doubt in this? Tell me. Second step. Anyone have any doubt in second step? Raise your hand. Anyone have any doubt in second step? Tell me, guys. I just used this concept now. Right? Second step. Now, if you remember, this I can write it as, I'll just use different pen for your convenience. Okay. Wait, yeah, this can be written as A. I'll just consider this as one element. A union B, A union B, right? Hayana. A union B, ठीक है? Hayana, tell me, think about it. Everyone, think about it. Right? Then intersection with A dash union B, right? Union C. Yes or no? Hayana. Can I write like this? Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no?
यस सर।
हाँ या ना? ठीक है, दिक्कत है किसी को यहां तक में? ठीक है, और instead of writing this, I'll just tell one simpler method. Instead of writing this, think about it. If you think logically, what is the meaning of this? Tell me, what is the meaning of this? Socho. Sorry. Yeah. What's the meaning of this? It means, sir, it is union of anything except A. Hayana. Right? B with union of anything except A. Hayana. Right? Hayana. Okay. And this is what? This is union with B intersection C. So don't you think, wait, yeah. Guys, wait, some people are joining. Now tell me, what would be the answer over here? सोच लो एक बार, कौन सा आंसर होगा? Everyone.
So B.
B, Hayana. Because everything is included, na? In this, everything is included. This is already included in this. Hayana. Tell me. B intersection C is already included in, right? Got it? Because A complement union B means everything except A. Everything except A. Hayana. Sir, A complement is what? Universal set minus A. Yes or no? Right? Universal set minus A. And this is union with B, which means that anything which is except A is included in this, which means this B intersection C is also included, right? B intersection C is also included. So this whole sum is actually union B. That's it. That is the answer. हाँ या ना? सबको समझ में आ रहा है ये
सर
चीज?
आंसर ए भी हो सकता है ना? सर
हाँ बोलो.
सर आंसर ए भी हो सकता है ना?
Again, we don't have any information about C ना, right? You can say that A भी हो सकता है, but best answer कौन सा है? जो मतलब हमेशा सही होगा. ठीक है, because right,
ओके सर.
according to this there might be some portion which is not union, right? But हाँ A हो सकता है. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है? Everyone is getting this?
ओके सर.
Everyone is getting this? ठीक है, चलो. Now 28 के बाद 29, 30. Now 29 हो जाना चाहिए, 29 हो जाना चाहिए. ठीक है, I guess 29 you guys can solve. 29 बस लैंग्वेज वाला है. ठीक है. 30 is also easy. 30 also you can solve. Now 31 से अच्छे क्वेश्चंस आ गए हैं. Okay, so 31 plus 31 to 41 are good problems. Tell me, 31 to 41 you got doubts है? Or actually 31 to 41 किसने try किया है? If you guys not have tried, then we can discuss it in next class. Tell me, have you tried 31 to 41? No? Okay, because these are good problems. These are good problems. Okay, so try these 31 to 41, 10 problems till next class. Okay, right? Okay. And next Sunday we will be having test of this. Next Sunday we'll be having test of set. Okay, next Sunday, not this Sunday, because we haven't completed this now. That's right. Okay, chalo. I hope all of you understood the concept of sets. अब समझ में आ रहा होगा, बन रहा होगा questions, है ना? Okay. Okay, I thought that I will give test tomorrow.